Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Wala guys. Hope you all are doing well and your preparation level is going to the up to the mark. If anyone is there, please let me know so that we will start the session. Sorry that I'm late for 10 minutes. I was traveling somewhere. Now I just came here to start this session. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. Yes, very good evening all. Very good evening. Yeah. Let's start the session. Let me check that whether the voice is clear or not. Yes. So I think my voice is clear. Let's start the session, guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pankaj Singh. I have in total 15 years of teaching experience in this GATE field. And today, in this beautiful session, I will tell you that what should be the best strategy so that, and what are the realities of that GATE, EE and EC, which is required for getting a good marks in your GATE examination. Okay. So feel free to ask any doubt. Okay, I'm watching all of your doubts, and let's start this session. And first of all, again, sorry that I have started this session. It's scheduled to 6:30, but I started at 6:45. It's okay. Let's start now. That is, see here. First of all, let us talk about the GATE examination a little bit. Why is GATE examination is so popular, and why the GATE exam is so important? See here, GATE exam, you all know. Very good evening. Very good evening. GATE examination, you all know that it is exam for two main things, okay, conducted by MHRD, that is IAAT. Earlier it was MHRD, now it is conducted by the Indian Institute of Technologies, 7 IATs, and for MTech and PhD, integrated PhD, and for jobs in PSUs, you are opting for your GATE exam. And mind it guys, the jobs are for like the PSUs are like this one. These are the PSUs. See, I will tell you that these are the PSUs which are hiring from your GATE examination. Is it clear? That is Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, GAIL, HPCL, and Power Grid, and many more. A lot of PSUs are there. And GATE is a standard, not only for this, GATE only is a standard for these PSU, that is these exams conducted by IITs, but it is a standard for ESE also. Okay. Sir, which is the best, CSE or ESE? That depends actually. I will tell you all of your doubts after the session. Let it complete. My point is that, see here, that not only if you prepare for GATE examination, then sir, lot of benefits are there. What are the benefits? Number one benefit is that if you score good, then you will enter into the PSU. Just I have seen. And if your GATE examination is up to the mark, then surely you will that is clear your examinations like ISRO, Indian Space Research Organizations, and many other examinations conducted by different nothing but my PSUs organizations individually. Okay, and these are the this is the standard exam for any let's say university. Okay, if you are preparing for your semester exams also, then the preparation for GATE will help on that particular semester exam. Also, if you want to clear your ESE, engineering services examination, then surely only and only GATE is the way, because if you prepare for, I have a list of the subjects, if you prepare for all the subjects, then definitely you will get entered into this one. Okay, fine. Ram Varshne is saying that's a signal system may filter topic YouTube पे करवा दो ESE के लिए. Surely I will do, no problem beta. बस अभी थोड़ा सा session we have to finish it. Now see here, question is that whether is it possible to clear this examination in the first attempt. See here, many students, there is history that many students clear the GATE examination even in third year. Okay, lot of students are there who clear the GATE examination in just third year. So the point is that you must have a very smart strategy for having a EDC में दिक्कत आती है क्या करे ओके फाइन, एडीसी में दिक्कत आती है, आप प्लीज मेरे एडीसी का सेशन चल रहा है, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं प्लीज. Point is that, see here, many students clears the gate in the first attempt also. No matter they are dropper, no matter they are in final year, no matter they are in third year, sir, there is a clear-cut strategy to clear the gate examination in very early ages. Early ages means that you are just, let's say 21, 22 in your third year and final year. And then suppose, imagine that if you clear your gate examination in that age, then surely, suppose you enter into, let's say, ONGC or HPCL in that particular 21, 22 age, then imagine that where you stand when you retired from your post. The point is that early you start, early you enjoy the flavor of all of the organizations. Is it clear? So definitely there is a path. If you opt for the strategy, then you will surely clear your gate examination. Next is that what is required. The first thing which is required is nothing but determination. See, you must have a dilemma. You don't have a dilemma that I have to clear either gate examination or I have to go for, let's say, campus placement. If you have a campus placement, that's okay. It is a one thing that is in your hand. If and based on that you have a confidence that okay, fine. If nothing will happen, then this will work. But that is not your destiny. Okay, your destiny must be your top level of examination of India. Is it clear? So determination is required. If you have some options, some other choices, then it's okay. Put it on your pocket, but mind it that you must have a bigger goal. Next is strategy. Without that, guys, nothing will help you. Okay. See here, for having, let's say, if you are, let's say, let me see here. If suppose you are preparing for any examination, then any of the examination, whether you prepare for bank examination or any other examination, or Maihar kya, any examination or any let's say other examination, strategy is required. Okay, if you have a simple strategy, then only you will clear your any of the examination. So for gate examination also, I will tell you the list of the subjects that is required for gate examination. Very good evening to all. And if you have a proper strategy, then surely you will get it. And after that strategy and determination, then comes a plan of action. Plan of action is very important because it's mere a daydream that you just have a strategy, you just have determination. If you are not doing proper actions, then these two will fail. Okay, so definitely a plan of actions is required for you. Very good evening to all. Please guys, avoid these kind of comments. ये क्या चल रहा है मतलब? Is it clear? मल्हार, अच्छा मैं तो मैहर पढ़ रहा था. Fine, it's okay. So that is required. That is definitely required for your complete preparation. Let's start about. Here, it is important that you must have a clear-cut thought in your mind that what is valuable for you. Your father mother's thought, your father mother dreams is important for you, and then definitely you have to pay a price for it. Is it clear? If you have a value for something, then only you will pay price for that. If you have a value that I have to get into the top level of management of, let's say, companies which are driving India, then you must pay price for it. That is, you must prepare for it. You must prepare properly. Is it clear? So what is important is that value, guys. अगर आप वैल्यू नहीं करोगे किसी भी चीज की, अगर आपके दिमाग में वैल्यू नहीं है, then surely आप उसके लिए कभी प्राइस पे नहीं करोगे. And the point is that everything will go into the hail. Is it clear? So the point is that value is very important. Deepika, I will take all your doubt after the session complete. Let me have a 20-25 minute sessions. After that, I will clear all of your doubts. Don't worry. So guys, this is very important. What is valuable, you have to pay price for it. Is it clear? If your value is to, let's say, have a campus placement, then surely campus placement is a very easy thing. You can pay price for it. But if your value is not your career, if your value is something others apart from career, then you have to pay price. That is nothing but my time. You kill your time. Is it clear? In your whole complete engineering, you kill your time, and definitely at the end of your college, examinations, let's say 8th semester, you have nothing in your hand. So whatever you pay price for it, that is what the value is. That is very, very important slide, guys. Sir, NBT is better for gate or gate wala? That depends beta. If you have a time and if you have, let's say, a zeal to hello, if you have a zeal to, that is a cover all of your let's say doubt, all of your concept in, let's say, in a lengthy manner, then definitely go for NPTEL. It's one of the best platform we have. I also learned many things from NPTEL. NPTEL is the best platform, but the point is that the time matters actually. Is that time and strategy matters? Is it clear? Whatever the questions comes in your gate examination, with only NPTEL, it's not possible to clear. That's the point is. And if you are watching only NPTEL, then starts watching from second year itself. So second year, third year, final year, if you watch for 3 years, then only you will compile this one. These things we avoid in your physics wala. Physics wala is, let's say, a gate wala basically. We just simply what we do is that whatever the best strategy we picked from sources, then we are opting here. But as far as mine is concerned, I also refer NPTEL for most of the things. Is it clear? It's a better platform, please. Next is that why gate? Gate is required. Why gate is required? See, a gate is required because it will give you the high paying jobs in India. Is it clear? And it is for higher education, for IITs, IIMs and foreign universities. Lot of foreign universities are there, like NTU. Is it clear? Nanyang Technical University are taking the GATE scorecard. Many universities in Germany are taking your GATE scorecard. So if you have, let's say, good scorecard of more than 800 and 900, then definitely you will appear for foreign universities also. Careers in central government, as I told you that ONGC and many other platforms are hiring for nothing but my top level, cream level engineers. Class 1 officer jobs in Indian government definitely helps in your semesters. That's a very, very important thing. See here, many times students have always a doubt in your semester exams. So please prepare GATE examination. If you don't have any thought, then prepare for semester examination. For that also GATE is required. So please prepare it properly so that you will do excel in your semester exam. And many companies, like for example Tata, Elxsi and all others companies will nothing but they takes throughout 60, throughout 70 like this, and that will only happen when you score good here. Help you for campus recruitment. Yes, as I told you that companies having a candidates having good GATE score, they will definitely excel in nothing but my campus placement, because company directly take this. Company directly take it as an advantage. So you have a better advantage if you have a good GATE score. Next is, as I told you, these are the nothing but my very important subject PSUs we have for a GATE examination. And apart from that, these are the higher studies which you are going for your GATE examination, like MTech in IITs and NITs, you know that. MBA in IIM Ahmedabad also taking a fellowship program for GATE in a GATE score. NITI Mumbai is there also, and MS in foreign universities. So everything is there, and hence everything is there, and hence you can take a better opportunity. You can take a better opportunity from your GATE examination. Deepika, sir, PSU is conducting an interview and another exam after qualifying. Yes, but the criteria is very less, Deepika. Criteria is very less. 70% they rely on GATE score. 30% they take a GD and PI. Some PSUs take group discussion and some PSU takes PI. Deepika. Again, Deepika says that, sir, I still studying in 4th semester. Can I write a GATE exam for? No, beta. For that, 3rd year is required. Deepika. For that, 3rd year is required. Okay. Next is that, see here, how GATE questions are, what are the GATE patterns that is required here. See here, look at that. 72% is nothing but comprises your technical. Technical means the subject, I will give you the list. 72% is devoted on this, 15% is devoted for aptitude, and 13% is devoted for maths. This means that if you just cover maths and aptitude, imagine that if you just cover math and aptitude here, then you will just comprise 28% of your nothing but my GATE score. And what is your GATE scorecard? GATE scorecard is just a 25, 26, 27, or far it is at most it is 32%. GATE scorecard I am talking about. Though or mere taking a scorecard will not help you, but the point is that, see here, if those who are preparing for just a GATE scorecard, then they will get a scorecard from maths and aptitude only. So 15% is devoted for aptitude, 13% devoted for nothing but my this one. So job opportunities is more for CSE or ESE in ECE in PSU. See, as far as your PSU is concerned, definitely ECE has a better hand, but mind it that nowadays CSE branch is one of the top most fascinated branch we have, because the things like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, these are the very hot topics nowadays which is going on, and research is going on there only. So maybe in PSU you will not get a lot of chance, though we have in BARC, we have in ISRO also, we have ISRO, that is the recruit for scientists SC post for nothing but my and conducting only for CSE also. So the point is that it depends on nothing but my your choice. Rohit Sarkar. Fine. And these are the, see here, this is the pattern for GATE examination. It's a one phase exam. The type of questions are MCQs, MSQs, and NATs. And this is the 3 hour 65 questions. The more you attempt, the more you get. It's totally based on that, and definitely it has a negative marking. Now the point is that now here comes a very, very important thing. See here, look at the subject list I have taken for ECE and EE, and that's electrical engineering. Now what is the important thing that you have to take care of? See here, what is the important thing is that, see, these two comprises nearly about 28%, nearly about 28%. And look at the subject, network analysis, control system, digital circuits in ECE. If you just prepare this one, see here, what do you think that how many marks you will get after preparing these 4 subjects? So definitely I will get nearly about, roughly if I take 8 marks per subject, then 8 for the 32, but it comprises nearly 35 to 40. And this comprises nearly, let's say 35% to 40%. To 40%. This is 35% to 40%. Okay. To 40%. These 4 subjects. And after that comes these 4 are we consider as one of the, let's say, toughest subject in ECE, but mind it that they are not tough. They are not tough. They comprises, see here, if this is 40, this is 28, this is another comes out to be nearly 30 to 35% of subjects we have. I have given you the sequence from which you will get a good marks here. See, if you just prepare daily for your nothing but my engineering, maths and aptitude daily for just for 1 and 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour daily, 1 and 1 plus half hour daily, then surely see here, surely you will get out of 28, surely you will get a 20 to 25 marks, and toppers gets these marks. These are not a havoc marks. So the point is that, see here, if you want a real, those who are in final year, those who are in let's say 3rd year, and those who are preparing for 26 like this and 25 also, please devote at least 1.5 hour daily for your maths and aptitude. That is very important, because 28% marks come from this. And after that, pick the subject which are having a more weightage and number of time, that is the time required to cover this topics are very, very less. So the point is that this is the best pool we have, network, control, signal and digital circuit. If you prepare, then they will take a less time. In that less time, you will revise more and more. Is it clear? So that is important here. So please pick this subject. After that, so please do not leave this subject, because if you leave this subject, then you will never dream for, let's say, 1 digit, 2 digit rank. Prepare this one, but the point is that if you have any topic, then there is a scope for leaving that one. But the point is that please prepare these subjects also in a rigorous manner. Is it clear? So first priority should be this, second priority should be this, and third priority should be this. After that only, if you go for your test series plus short notes making, from short notes making from August only, if you start the test series from August itself, then surely, see here, now it means recently IIT Roorkee announced its dates also, that the GATE exam is going to be conducted on 1st, 2nd February and 15th, 16th February. So the point is that this is the time. You think that you must take into account that your GATE exam will be on 1st of February. So if 1st February is also time, then you have to start a test series from August. Is it clear? Even CSE is a subset branch come from electronics and communication. Electrical has a more job in PSU. Yes, of course, electrical has more job in PSUs, but the point is that depends. But see, look at the package of ESE. If they are getting in, let's say, higher, that's the leading companies like Google and Microsoft. The package is nearly more than 1 crore, and it is more than your PSUs. So the point is that CSE has a more scope here in a private sector, not in public sectors. But most of the public sector also, they that is recruit for CSE candidates like ONGC and ISRO. So the point is that, see here, please take these subjects into account, this subject also, and then prepare for test series and short notes. Look at the EE subjects. EE subjects, see here, look here. If you just look at these subjects, then again, this is the 28% pool. This is the 28%. This comprises nearly about 25 to 30%. Again, time is very less. But see here, and this also required a 10 to 15% pool, and time is very less. Means what I'm saying is that for preparing these subjects, the time is really very less. Is it clear? So please go for it, guys. If you seriously have a zeal, then start preparing daily these subjects. After that, put these subjects into your account. See here, electrical machine is one of the best subjects we have. Power systems also, and power electronics also. So these are the three top level subjects in your EE examination. And mind it that please do not devote so much time here, but please devote a balanced time. Your preparation must be balanced. Then only. So what rank I get exam for going PSU? See here, this is a thumb rule that for MS, MTech plus MS plus PSU, your GATE scorecard must be greater than 750 and marks greater than 60. Aim this. If you seriously want to secure your seat in your, let's say, any PSUs or any top level of masters in IITs and all, hello Pradiksha, and MS, then aim for 60 marks, at least 60 marks. Is it clear? Aim for at least 60 marks, or GATE score should be greater than 750. Then only you will consider as. Nowadays 750 also not work. 800 GATE score is a decent GATE score for PSUs. So prepare in that level, mind it. Sir, please suggest which subject should I select for my graduation, ECE or CSE? I am a GATE aspirant of 2027. Beta, that depends, Sudhanshu Mandal, beta, that depends on your BTech curriculum. For example, if you want to do a government examination, no matter you are, let's say, doing your BTech from CSE, and if you are giving a GATE examination in ECE also, this will also not help. Mere taking a GATE examination and doing degree from other branches will not help your GATE examination, will not help in PSUs. For example, if you go for power grid, which is one of the leading public sector unit for electrical engineering, if your degree is in CSE, then it will not work. Is it clear? So degree, that depends on your degree also. So if you are, let's say, having a graduation in, let's say, ECE, EE, and then you aim for a list I have provided, but if you have a CSE, then go for data science, data structure, go for masters and get a good package in Microsoft, Google's, and data mines and all and all. 750 is a rank number. Yes, scorecard beta. 750 is a scorecard. How GATE score is calculated? That is a one formula given by the IITs. It is given in the brochure that you will see. But the point is that GATE score easily you will get out of 7 means 1000. If you're, let's say, you are the topper, then your GATE score is 1000, and based on that, your GATE score will come out to be down. तो EE में मार्क्स कम क्यों आते हैं? CSE EC में टॉपर्स 90+, बट सिलेबस ऑफ EE इज वेरी वास्ट. ठीक है, द सिलेबस ऑफ EE इज वेरी वास्ट, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि EE में मार्क्स नहीं आते. 87 भी लोगों ने मार्क्स किया है. लास्ट ट्रेंड आप पेपर उठा लो, अच्छा मार्क्स किया है. Is it clear? The point is that, see here, everything depends on the pool, everything depends on the strategy that you opt. अगर आप, if you are preparing for GATE examination and you are opting to give, let's say, GATE paper in your ECE and EE, then choose the subject in a very, see, you have to prepare for all subjects first of all. If you are aim for 2-digit rank or 1-digit rank, then you have to aim for subject. No, you are not allowed to leave any subjects. Point number 1. But the point number 2 is that on which subject I focus more, that depends actually, because the subject you take will take time also. So first cover that particular subject which require less time and which has a more weightage. Is it clear? So what I'm saying is that, see here, if you go for, let's say, electrical engineering, then electrical machines, power systems, power electronics will take more time as compared to network analysis, control system, signal system. And the time that the marks that you will get is the same. So that depends on your choice, that if you have, let's say, good command on that, then surely you will get 4. But your time is very limited, na? You have only 5 months of time. So please go according like this. Now, this is the common strategy that you have to opt. First of all, please, what is the demand of exam? You must know. Is it clear? What kind of exam? If suppose someone is preparing for ECE, then what is exactly demand? What is exactly required that I have to take? I do not have to, for example, if this is a Milliman Halkias, if this is the EDC book, then I do not have to start from the very first page and I have to end in a last page. This is nothing but my, see, this is nothing but my very, very important thing, that you must understand that what is the demand of particular exam. Next is that what are the pattern that you will get from your previous year questions. So please go for PYQs. If you don't have PYQs, then no one will help you. After that, you will get, when you understand that, okay, fine, this is a demand and that is the pattern that is asked in your last 25 years GATE paper, then go for the concept, which is very, very important. Because without that, nothing will, nothing will work out. Mind it that concept is very, very important, please. So out of these 10 subjects, prepare for 7 subjects. It's okay. But the point is that prepare in a depth manner. That is required. And for this, you require some kind of guidance. After that concept, you have a quizzes and PYQs. That is very, very important. Please, test series, you have to opt for this. So take a very good test series in your from market and just analyze, just assess your performance and prepare for PYQs also. At least you have to cover 25 years of PYQs. Then after that, in this stage only, then makes a revision. Because if you do revision for, let's say, 3 times, 4 times, then the chances of getting a good marks is very, very high. But suppose if you do not revise a particular subject, then surely, no matter how well you prepare, it will definitely go into hail. You understand my point or not? So revision is very important. And short notes. Short notes means that whatever the pitfalls and whatever the mistakes you are making here, then makes just a very handy notes for that, so that next time you will not do a mistakes. And definitely a mock test. Mock test means before gate you must have to appear at least 20 to 25 gate test paper. Then only on that time only. For example, your slot is from 2 to 5. You will get in advance before 2 months when you download your admit card. So 2 to 5 you have to give at least 10 paper. That is important because your mind will now set for that particular time frame, and the chances for performing well is good. So that is very, very important. Because mock test is very, very important. Short notes is very, very important. Revision is very, very important. Next is that, see here, this is one of the most important, very, very interesting and important quote from Steve Jobs, that your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Means the point is that, see here, that depends on you, that what you want. Is it clear? If your friend says that, okay, do this, then please do not live in his or her room, her dream. Is it clear? Please just make your own dream, think for your own dream and work for it. Is it clear? And how will you decide faster? By using, this is nothing but my one algorithm that you have to take. First of all, limit your options. What is the good and bad choice you have to make from starting itself? What your gut feeling says, listen to it, or think that your time is money. Very, very important point. Know that decisiveness grows with each decisions, means it is required, and indecisions kills. And whatever you not decide will definitely kill. So if you have any question, do ask for the questions. That is all from my side. Do ask, I will surely try to clear all of your doubt. If there is any question, please let me know. Sir, what rank I get in GATE exam for going to PSU? I told you that 200 marks is, under 200 rank is required for your GATE examination. If there is any doubt, then please let me know. Yes. Yes, surely you can get a double digit rank, no problem. Surely you will get a double digit rank. Self-study is enough. Definitely self-study is enough. Self-study is definitely enough. But in right direction. Sir, I am from EE. What are the topics needed? I need to focus for on analog for GATE from EE perspectives. Analog you are talking about. Just analog electronics you are talking about. Please be precise, Gautam. क्या मैं सिर्फ गेट डीए दे सकता हूं? दे सकते हो यार, गेट डीए, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं. सीएससी ब्रांच आपकी मास्टर्स होनी चाहिए. Analog electronics, in analog electronics, if you go for simple op-amps and let's say diode analysis and op-amp analysis, then from diode and op-amp, if you watch your last 25 years GATE paper, then from diode and op-amp they ask many questions. Is it clear? And definitely MOSFET, that is the AC analysis and DC analysis. So if these 3 topics if you covered, then if let's say analog and digital come for 10 marks completely, see, analog and digital electronics come for 10 marks, See here, analog electronics and digital electronics definitely come for 10 marks. So what I am saying is that if you simply prepare these three topics, then you will get a good marks. After that, you have to prepare for digital electronics as far as EE branch is concerned. But for ECE, analog electronics is a separate topic. So for that, you have to go into depth. सर मैं EC बैकग्राउंड का हूँ, तो EC बैकग्राउंड के हो तो फिर बेहतरीन ये सब्जेक्ट्स प्रिपेयर करो, इजली यू कैन डू इट. सर आई एम स्टडिंग बट within a week I am forgetting the concept, can you help me how to solve? Beta, for that I told you that please make a short notes. Make a short notes. जो short notes many time revision will definitely help you. ठीक है, revision करो भाई. If you do not revise, then surely अब अगर आप जल्दी भूलते हो, then the point is that revise frequently. 2 days 3 days में revise करते रहो, then that is more than sufficient. हाँ, minor points. Yes, minor point means that's what I am saying. Make a short notes better. This will help you. Make a short note, make a handy notes. DA डेटा एनालिसिस से मास्टर करना चाहते हो, बिल्कुल आप करो ना भाई, क्या दिक्कत है. अश्वनी, आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. डीए का पेपर दीजिए. इफ योर ब्रांच इज ECE, then you are allowed to do a master's there. ECE, CSE, then surely you will allowed to do it. I think doubts are clear. Okay, so with this, thank you very much guys, and thank you for your patience that you hear me for 45 minutes. And see here, one time you have to dream for. Your time is very limited. One time you have to dream for. So guys, dream big and achieve it. Thank you very much. EC expected date would be nearly 1 February. Take it as a 1 February. Thank you.